When you first turn onto Gunstall Road, follow the road all the way down to the end and take the left-hand turn, then turn right onto Limberline Spur and again follow the road down. Turn right onto Ackworth Road. Once you're on Ackworth Road, follow the road all the way down to the end and you'll see 2 Start appear directly ahead of you. Drive straight across into the 2 Start yard and parking is available along the fence line.
Hello, my name's Daisy and I'm the Sales Director here at 2 Start. Today we would like to welcome you to 2 Start Portsmouth. 2 Start Portsmouth is where myself and my sales team are located and is where all the booking and administration is carried out, as well as being a training centre itself. Today we're going to take you on a short tour to see what facilities we have on offer, what you need to bring along with you and what you need to do on arrival. We look forward to welcoming you to 2 Start Portsmouth. Now let's go take a look around.
Once you've arrived at 2 Start Portsmouth and parked your car, make your way over to the white door marked as the reception entrance.
When you arrive at the centre, you will need to call through to 650 through to the office to let them know that you've arrived. Once you've checked in, you can make your way through to the rest area and your instructor will meet you there.
Hello and welcome to 2 Start in Portsmouth. My name's Alan Durnin, I'm the depot manager here. The area I'm sitting in is our student reception area where you will be brought by your instructor on your first day to go through paperwork. Hopefully you've got your joining instructions and I'm just going to go through some of the documentation you should have brought with you. For your B+E, C+E or D+E, you will need to bring your driving licence and national insurance number. For your category C, D, C1, D1, you would also need to bring with you your theory task certificate and your hazard perception. If you're here for your Module 4 exam, we need your Module 2 pass certificate and the examiner will need to see your driving licence. For your periodic CPC, there are 3 acceptable forms of identification. Your DQC card, your driving licence or your driver card. If you're here for one of our forklift courses, Moffat, HIAB, plant course, then if it's a novice course, we will not require any additional documentation from you. If you're here for a refresher or a conversion, however, we will need to see a previous certificate dated within the last 5 years. On the PPE side, you will need to bring with you steel toe caps. The high-vis and hard hats for the other courses will be supplied by us. However, if you do have your own, please feel free to bring them. Once you've done all the documentation with your instructor at the start of the course will begin. I will now take you for a tour around the rest of the depot.
As with all of our courses, the requirements of what you need to bring with you does vary from course to course, so please do make sure that you've read your course confirmation information thoroughly so you're sure of what it is that you need to bring with you. For our students who are with us for driver training courses, just outside that student's restroom and opposite the vendor machines, you'll see a whiteboard there on the left. This contains details of which instructor you're with, which vehicle you're in, and the times for your training and tests through the course, so please make sure you're familiar with the information displayed there. So it's a short walk out of the student's restroom, turning left past the vending machines and passing the offices. You'll see the toilets will appear on the left at the end of that corridor. If you go down a little bit further, you'll come across our Cpc Classroom. You're likely to be in here if you're doing any driver's periodic CPC, the National International CPC, ADR or any of our management courses. If we go along a little bit further, you'll see that our conference room will appear on the right, likely to be in here if you're doing any operator's licence awareness training. If we go down the corridor a little bit further, you'll come across our forklift training room on the left. This is where you'll complete any theoretical aspect of any forklift or HIAB courses, and right the way down to the end of the corridor leads to our warehouse facilities. If you are joining us for any training in the warehouse, then please do ensure you're aware of and abide by any of the safety signage which is dotted around.
Hello and welcome to our specifically designed warehouse in Portsmouth. You'll spend the majority of your time in here getting yourself ready for your practical exam, getting yourself up to standard. As you can see, we have 2 counterbalance forklifts, we have a reach truck, we have a Moffat, we have a powered pallet truck and we have a pedestrian pallet truck. We also have outside our lorry mounted crane, our HIAB. You will spend most of your time in here getting yourself ready and we do have access to other plant equipment if you have different requirements. And please contact us if you need information about these.
Over on the driver training side of things, it's straight out of that briefing room, out through the main reception and to the front of the centre, where you'll be shown by your instructor over to where our fleet of vehicles is parked. Here you'll be introduced to the vehicle you'll be driving and its features, as well as going through the daily vehicle safety check and getting ready for your course on the road. On top of this, Start Portsmouth have the benefit of our own on-site reversing area to practice your reversing exercise, as well as being a DVSA approved driving test facility.
Thank you for taking the time to watch the Start Portsmouth joining instructions. I hope this has answered any questions that you may have. We look forward to welcoming you here at Start. See you soon.